Welcome back to HandiWorks. In today's project, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful and elegant leaf stitch pattern on cotton fabric. I've chosen a maroon linen fabric, but you can experiment with different colors and fabrics to match your style. I've drawn a grid with 6 by 6 millimeters squares onto the fabric. I used a heat erasable pen, which makes it easy to remove the markings later. The grid helps maintain precise and consistent stitching throughout the design. Remember, you can always adjust the size of the squares to suit your project's needs. Next, I sketch the outline of a leaf pattern over the grid. You can draw the leaf freehand or download a template for a more defined shape. The grid will serve as your guide while stitching. What's great about this project is that you don't need to be an expert in stitching. It's simple and easy to follow. I'm using an embroidery hoop stand to stabilize the fabric and keep my hands free, making the stitching process much smoother. However, using a hoop is not strictly necessary. This pattern can be stitched just as easily without one. You can easily change the fabric or thread colors to match your personal style or the specific garment you're working on. Experiment with different color combinations and fabric types to create something truly unique. This pattern is perfect for a variety of applications, from dress bodices and sleeves to tablecloths and home decor. It's a fantastic way to elevate your sewing and embroidery projects with a simple yet impactful design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HandiWorks for more embroidery tutorials, and check the description box for any additional tips and materials used in this project. Happy stitching!